In this video, we listed the 5 best folding rowing machine on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Magnetic Rowing Machine. The SFRW 5515 rowing machine by Dutrio offers adjustable magnetic resistance with 8 levels, allowing users to tailor their workout intensity. Its extra-long slide rail accommodates rowers of various sizes, with a 48-inch slide rail length and 44-inch inseam length. The rower features a digital monitor displaying time, count, calories, total count, and scan mode for tracking progress. Transportation wheels make it easy to move the machine without heavy lifting, while non-slip foot pedals with foot straps ensure stability during workouts targeting arms, legs, feet, hands, and chest. This versatile equipment is suitable for cardio training and is made in mainland China. Number 2. YOSUDA Magnetic Rowing Machine. The YOSUDA rowing machine, designed and produced by YOSUDA with over 20 years of experience in creating high-quality exercise machines for home use, offers a full-body muscle workout experience. Equipped with a 10 lb flywheel and a high-quality magnetic control system, providing 16 levels of resistance, this rower caters to users of all fitness levels. The non-contact magnetic resistance system ensures a super quiet rowing experience, making it suitable for any time of day. Built with commercial quality 5 mm thick steel, this rowing machine is durable with a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds and a 45.2-inch long slide suitable for users from 4'5" to 6'2". The machine features a large LCD monitor, a tablet holder, and Bluetooth support for the KinoMap app, enhancing the rowing experience. With user-friendly design elements such as compact storage and transportation wheels, the YOSUDA rowing machine is a versatile and convenient option for cardio training. Made by DZQ in mainland China, this rower targets waist, arms, legs, and muscle reflex apparatus during workouts. Number 3. Rowing Machine Air Rowing Machine. The YOSUDA Air and Magnetic Rowing Machine offers a comprehensive workout targeting various muscle groups like forearms, biceps, triceps, shoulders, legs, and thighs, suitable for both home and gym use. This rowing machine features a digital LCD display panel measuring time, distance, strides, and calories burned, with adjustable resistance levels for a personalized fitness experience. Built to last with durable steel metal alloy and engineered ABS materials, it can support weights up to 250 pounds. The machine's design includes a comfortable seat, handlebar grip, and pedal-style footrests for a smooth and quiet workout experience. With a 1-year warranty, this rowing machine by YOSUDA is ideal for strength training, sports training, cardio fitness, fat burning, and weight loss, providing a fun and effective exercise solution for indoor home or office gym use. Made in the US, this rowing machine emphasizes training the legs and feet while offering a convenient and space-saving folding stand-up design for easy storage. Number 4. Sunny Fitness Elastic Cord Rowing Machine. The Dutrio Sunny Health and Fitness SFRW 5606 Elastic Cord Rowing Machine offers a safe and effective way to enhance fitness levels through calorie burning and muscle building with its low-impact design. Constructed from top-grade steel, this rowing machine features an elastic cord resistance system with 4 adjustable tension levels, making it an ideal choice for home gyms. The machine is equipped with large anti-slip pedals with straps and a user-friendly LCD monitor displaying essential workout metrics like time, calories burned, count, total count, count per minute, and scan. Designed for comfort, the rower includes an oversized angled seat and a non-slip handle, ensuring a comfortable workout experience. With the option to fold for easy storage and portability, this rowing machine has a maximum user weight capacity of 220 pounds. Suitable for strength training, this product from Dutrio, manufactured in mainland China, focuses on training the arms and legs effectively while providing a convenient and versatile exercise solution for users. Number 5. Stainless Steel Double Track Rowing Machine. The MYOSUDA MyBK0, 8 household reluctance aerobic exercise. Fat-reducing rowing machine is a versatile fitness equipment designed for comprehensive training targeting various muscle groups including the waist, arms, legs, muscle reflex apparatus, waist and abdomen, feet, back, hands, wrists, hips, chest and core. Manufactured in mainland China, this cardio training machine by YOSUDA features a sturdy construction using stainless steel, leather, sponge, and plastic materials, weighing 35 kg. Offering free shipping and a delivery time of around 2 months, the rowing machine provides a convenient and effective workout solution. With a focus on quality assurance, good packaging, quick delivery, and factory low prices, this equipment is suitable for home use. The machine comes with SGS, ISO 9001, CE, and FDA certifications, ensuring safety and reliability. The rowing machine operates at 220V/110V, 50 Hz, and includes a transformer for USA-Mexico clients. Accepted payment methods include credit, debit card, and PayPal, with shipping handled through Train plus UPS with free taxes. The packaging consists of a high-quality paper box, making it a convenient and reliable fitness solution for users looking to enhance their workout routines.